Now, this is how you can set the navigation on your iPhone. Let's get started. So when it comes to the actual navigation itself, where we want to get it from one place to another using GPS, well, in order to do that, you need to at first have some sort of map application ready. A lot of people stick with the Apple Maps as, the app is pretty reliable and useful, but you can also get the Google Maps, you can get Waze, and even other third-party GPS map applications, but these are the most popular ones. But generally speaking, you just have to open up the app and into the search bar, just type in the end location, whatever it might be. Just type it into the search. It's going to move over to that place. And essentially, you want to click on the directions. And when you get there, right, you need to choose a starting point. If you have the location services enabled for your app, it's going to be simple because, the starting point will be your current location. But even if not, you can change it to something else, right? So you can choose something, whatever it might be. And when you get started, it's going to track the location like that and give you some route options. You usually have the option to pick between the driving directions, walking, public transport. There is, even the hiking or, motorbikes, depending on the app. And those directions are kind of different based on the type. Naturally, walking there is going to give you some different turns and a path compared to driving to the destination. But once you're done, you can just click on them and select the route you want to take, and the GPS navigation will begin. So that's how it works. Most definitely let me know below in the comments if you need any additional information. I would be really glad if I could make an updated video about that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you in the future uploads.